Hello my friends, and welcome yet again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Tony's Bits on the Side is a little spin-off, a bit of a separate playlist on Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel, where I do mainly side dishes, salads, food prep videos and the likes. Videos that don't usually warrant being filmed for the main Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel. And today I am doing a roast vegetable salad, or as the Spanish call it, Escalivada. I hope I've pronounced that okay. As you can see, I have 2 red peppers, 1 onion, medium-sized or fairly large onion, a baking potato, and an aubergine or eggplant, whatever you want to call them. What we're going to do, we're going to pour over some olive oil. Make sure they're all basted in it. We're going to pop them in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade, or just under 400 Fahrenheit, for about an hour and a half. And we'll take them out. We're going to peel the skins off the peppers and the aubergine, and we'll make the salad. So, without further ado, I will pop them in the oven. Okay, they've been in half an hour. I'll just turn them over so they get cooked nicely on all sides. Good case. Brilliant. So I'll put them back in for another half an hour, then I'll check them again. These are cooking quite nicely. The potato might take a little longer. Okay, so it's now been an hour. Actually, I said an hour and a half at first, but it's taken an hour. The main one to cook was the potato, obviously, but everything's cooked, nicely cooked. Probably burnt a bit of onion there. That'll taste brilliant, I'll tell you. So what we'll have to do now is just wait for it to cool down, and then what we'll do is we'll start to peel away the skin from the peppers and the aubergine, and then we'll start to plate it up. Okay, so the vegetables have been cooling down for 15 minutes, and so it's now time to get a bit messy, because we need to take the skin off these peppers. I don't know if you can see it too well in the camera. Now then, I'm saying they've been cooling down for 15 minutes. Hopefully they're cool enough for me to handle without me screaming. Basically, we want to get all the skin off and get obviously the seeds out. Ow, I was wrong. They're still hot. And then we'll plate them up. Wow, look at the colour of those. Ouch. So I'll put them on a plate to one side, serving plate. I don't know how well you can see this. It's difficult to actually do and film at the same time. Okay, that's the peppers out the way. Now for the aubergine or eggplant. You just want to scoop out the flesh from inside. The best way, I think, is with a spoon. For the onion and the potato. So with these, we just cut them in. I tend to cut them in half, then half again. The smell of all this is just fantastic, especially when it cooks. It's real smell of the Mediterranean. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then finally the potato. We should cut it into quarters. Now then, some of those juices. This is optional. I mean, up to now it's been vegetarian, but I'm putting some anchovy fillets, just to give it a bit of extra flavour. And I love anchovies. Followed by a little drizzle of olive oil, a little bit of salt, not too much because the anchovies will be salty, and finally some crushed black pepper. And that, my friends, is the dish done. Now this could be served as a side dish or as a main meal with some crusty bread, and believe me, I mean, this is heaven on a plate. This is the taste of the Mediterranean as far as I'm concerned, and I'm sure you'll agree with me. So have a go. It's dead simple to make and you will absolutely love it. So I'm going to dig in. A bit of anchovy. Absolutely amazing. So please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. That will be amazing if you did. And I will see you in the next video. So take care, my friends. Love and peace. Love and peace.